In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research an honest SoFi Invest review online and verify whether the information you find is current and reliable. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go directly to youtube.com if you want to focus on video reviews, or use your preferred search engine if you want to compare both videos and written articles. The goal here is not just to find the most popular results, but to gather recent and useful information that reflects the platform as it exists today. In the search bar, type the phrase SoFi Invest Honest Review, then run the search. This exact wording helps surface content that is more likely to be balanced rather than purely promotional. If you are on YouTube, look through the video results. If you are using a search engine, scan both video and article listings so you can compare different perspectives. This is helpful because one reviewer may focus on beginner features, while another may pay closer attention to limitations, fees, or account usability. Next, make sure the information you're reviewing is recent. Look for content published within the last 6 months. This step matters because broker platforms can change quickly. Fee structures, app design, investment options, and account features may be updated over time, so older reviews can easily become outdated. On YouTube, you can use filters to narrow results by upload date. On a search engine, check the publication date shown in the result preview or on the article itself before relying on the information. As you review the content, pay close attention to user complaints, especially around trade execution speed and option trading features. For trade execution, listen or read carefully for comments about delays, order fills, responsiveness during market volatility, or any mention of lag that might affect buying or selling. These details can tell you a lot about how the platform performs in real-world conditions. Then, evaluate feedback related to option trading. Focus on whether users describe the tools as basic or advanced, whether the platform supports the strategies they expect, and whether there are any repeated complaints about limitations, navigation, or missing functionality. If several recent sources mention the same issue, that can be a useful signal. As a final tip, compare a few different recent sources rather than relying on just one. Consistent feedback across multiple reviews is usually more trustworthy than a single strong opinion. By the end of this process, you should have a clearer, more current view of SoFi Invest and whether it matches what you need from a trading platform.